Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Two polynomials are given. If we divide the polynomials by x plus 3, the remainder will be same. The given polynomials are ax cube plus 3x square minus 9 and 2x cube plus 4x plus a. If we divide by x plus 3, so here the factor is x plus 3. So if x plus 3 is the factor of the polynomial, then x is equals to minus 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. So if we divide by x plus 3, we'll get the same remainder in both the polynomials. So let b be the remainder when we divide by x plus 3. So the polynomial equations becomes the first equation becomes ax cube plus 3x square minus 9 equals to b at x is equals to minus 3, because x is equals to minus 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. And the second equation becomes the 2x cube plus 4x plus a is equals to b at x is equals to minus 3. So if we substitute x is equals to minus 3, we'll get a into minus 3 whole cube plus 3 into minus 3 whole square minus 9 equals to b, and the second equation becomes so we can let's simplify this equations. Minus 3 whole cube becomes minus 27a, and 3 times of 9 becomes 27, minus 9 equals to b. So if we simplify this, we'll get minus 27a plus 18 equals to b. Let this as a equation 1. And if we substitute x is equals to minus 3 into the second equation, we'll get 2 into minus 3 whole cube plus 4 into minus 3 plus a is equals to b. So minus 3 cube becomes minus 27. So minus 27 times of 2 is minus 54. So minus 54, 4 times of minus 3 is minus 12 plus a equals to b. So if we simplify this, minus 66 plus a equals to b. So let this as a equation 2. So we got two equations for b. So just equate both the equations. Equate equation 1 and 2. So we'll get minus 27a plus 18 equals to minus 66 plus a. So just subtract 18 on both sides. We'll get minus 27a equals to minus 84 plus a. So if we subtract a on both sides, we'll get minus 28a equals to minus 84. So if we divide minus 28 on both sides, we'll get a is equals to minus 84 divided by minus 28. So finally we'll get a is equals to 3. So the value of a is 3. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.